To connect your Tapo C425 with the iPhone, first you will need to find the Tapo app in the App Store and download it. When it's downloaded, open the app and make sure to grant all of the access and also log in or register your account. After that, we can focus on our camera. You can power it on by clicking on this button right here. When the LED lamp starts going like this, that means it's on. And if it doesn't, then you can either try charging your camera right here with this button with the plug for micro USB, or you can try to perform a reset with the button that is behind this rubber. Now finally we can move to add our device. We can click on add the device in the app, look for C425, click on it like that, and then confirm that the red LED lamp is glowing. And we need to manually connect our iPhone with the camera Wi-Fi. So what you need to do is swipe down from the right side of your screen, click and hold on the Wi-Fi and click on it like that. Now wait for your Tapo Cam to be available and connect with it. If we go back, our camera should be already connecting with our smartphone. And now it's done. Next step is to connect your internet, and here it is. It's already connected for me.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Then we can rename our camera and change the place where it is. Also, you can assign a custom icon for the dashboard, after which you'll find all of the instructions and blah 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 things for your camera. You can skip through it like I'm doing right here. And finally, after clicking for like a minute, we can see our camera right here. It's connected now.